Module 4. Once the admin profile and branches are entered, we move on to Employees. Select Employees from the dashboard above. To add the employees, select Menu on the top right corner and choose New Employee. Here, you enter all the relevant personal and professional information for each worker. You can also assign a reporting person who will have access to their information. However, it is not compulsory. Select the type of employee. If you are selecting a contract employee, you will get the option to enter the staffing agency and their date of joining and relieving. This information is not required or relevant for a regular employee. Coming to permissions, you have 3 types. If you want to make the employee an admin of a department or a branch, you can give them web access. QR and PIN are secondary options. ID cards can be printed with this information. Alternatively, all employees' QR and PINs can be downloaded collectively. Employees can also receive an email with this information. Depending on the type of employee, they are eligible to leaves, following which, upload an image from your computer and save the profile. In case if you have enabled the payroll option for the branch assigned to this employee, you will also see salary and statutory information and bank information tabs. You will see that under salary and statutory information, the earning structure which was previously created appears. From the above options, select the pay type, payroll interval, and payment mode and enter the salary amount. Once this process is done, come down to the EPF and ESI section. If your company complies with this, turn on the status or else turn it off. Enter all the details in this section. You can also customize the earning structure for individual employees. To do this, click on Personalized Pay Structure and assign percentages for the components. Coming to bank information, if your mode of payment is online, you must enter the information here. Select the bank, branch name, the account number, and the IFSC code. Once all the information is updated, save the changes. The profile will be added to the list of employees here. You can now edit further by clicking on Edit Employee. You will now be given access to enter all the above information. You can enter the address here. And the nominee information here. The Attendance tab can be used to monitor individual attendance. Assign the shifts which have been created in the company profile to the employee using this tab. There will be multiple shifts for all the other options except daily. Depending on the type of employee, they are eligible for leaves here. Assign a specific geofence to the employees from the location option. This will depend on their scope of work. Coming to travel, you can assign remote employee access from here. This is for employees who work outside the office premises for a period of time. Start by selecting the New Travel option here. Select the duration of the travel and choose a geofence. You can also choose to activate punch approval. If the employee or profile does not need to go here anymore, then you can turn off the status of this travel. The other variation is not assigning a geofence if the employee's scope of work is dynamic. Heading over to On Duty. When you send an employee for a day to a place of work, you can enter that information here. Select the date, time, place, and enter the purpose of visiting, meeting. You will now have access to all the employee data and can filter them here using these tabs. This is not extended to just sorting and viewing employee data. You can edit individual employee schedules from here. Alternatively, you can click on Menu and select Employee Schedule here. Here, you will be redirected to a page which displays the employees and their assigned schedules branch-wise. To make individual shift changes, select the employee and from Shift, choose the new timings. Here, you can also change their geofence. After making the changes, click Save. Through this page, you can also assign a new shift to any employee. To do this, click on the blank space on any day of the week. You will be redirected to the new schedule window. Here, You can select from the various options including employee and save your choices. Now, you can see that a new employee has been added to this shift. This way, you can add and edit employee shifts using Employee Schedule. This brings us to the end of the Employee Data Management module.